What's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I made this super cute rainbow bright cup. The first thing I did is prep and paint, let that dry, and then we're going to use epoxy for our adhesive, and I'm just going to put that on, and I'm going to use very little. You don't need a lot, just enough to make it sticky. I'm going to make sure to smooth it out really well, and you can use a heat gun to heat your cup up first. It will help the epoxy slide super smoothly. After we get that applied, we can go in with our glitters. So I'm going to start with my pink section, and I'm using Teenage Pink from the Inspired Angels. Make sure you have this on the shaker side and not like what I did here. Whoops. So I'm going to do full coverage all around the rim and most of the pink section, and then I'm going to tilt my cup down and I'm going to let some of that pink fall into the orange. But I'm not going super heavy at first. It might look like it, but I'm not. I am sorry that my hand is in the way. I was trying to figure out the angle I needed to be at so you guys could see what I was doing. In between each color, I'm going to make sure to tap my cup off really well to get all of that loose glitter off. That way, when I tap the next color, I'm not mixing my glitters. Next, for the orange, I'm going in first with Crush from Peachy Olive Glitters. And I'm going to do pretty full coverage right in the center of that orange. And then I'm going to tilt my cup down and let some go into the pink. And then I'm going to tilt it the other way and let some go down into the yellow. I know my sections aren't really the same size. I tried, but it didn't work out that way. But that's okay. We're going to kind of try to make the yellow section a little bit fatter and the green one as well. So for the next color I'm using on the orange is called Watermelon Kiss, and that one's from the Inspired Angels as well. I'm using that one because it has the same sparkle. All of the Inspired Angels glitters that I'm using have like the same sparkle, so I feel like it's going to make it have like the same look and it's going to blend well. So for yellow, I am using, it's just called Neon Yellow, and it's from Michaels. And I'm going to do the same thing as I did with the previous two colors. And for the green, I'm starting with Sea Turtle from StarCraft, doing the same thing I did before. After I'm done with this one, I'm going to go over it with a green called Tink, and that's from the Inspired Angels. And my phone does stop recording, but I do the same thing all the way down. And I will put the glitters in the description, and I will also put what I used for the blue and the purple as well. And then after I'm done with this, after I get down to the purple, I'm going to start all over, and I'm going to go back up the cup and do the same exact thing to try to blend it a little more. And this is what we have. I'm not that great at ombres, but this looks okay to me. After that epoxy cures, I'm going to go in with 2 coats of epoxy, and then I'm going to do my sanding. So I've sanded the body of the cup, and now I'm sanding the rim. And you want to sand down to expose a fine line of stainless steel. Once you're done sanding, you want to clean the cup off. You can use alcohol in a paper towel, or you can rinse it off in the sink. And now we're going to apply our decals. This is a custom order, and the girl picked this image. I think I do get it on there slightly crooked, but whatever. I think it's alright. I did have to cut this by hand. I was not able to use my print and cut with my Cricut, so you're going to see that it looks all jaggedy and kind of bad. But after I'm done, I do go back in with my craft knife and I do clean that up, and it ended up looking pretty cute. I just cut out some stars, and we decided we just wanted to do some stars just randomly all over the cup. I decided to do some outlines as well. I thought they were pretty cute. Initially, I was trying not to put the same colors next to each other or on top of the glitter that was the same color, but that didn't end up working out for me. I did end up speeding this up a little because I took entirely way too long to decide where to put these, and in the end it didn't even matter because she decided she wanted more stars, so I just ended up putting them on wherever. I don't show adding more stars, but you'll see that in the finished product. So when I'm happy with how it looks, we're going to do 2 more coats of epoxy, and then it's all done. This is how it turned out. I'm pretty happy with it. Please make sure to give this a big thumbs up and subscribe. Have a great day.